Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel with me, Ivan Florentino, and for today's video, I finally completed my Skillshare class number 3. And in this course, I teach how to draw Frida Kahlo in a front-facing view using graphite pencil in a realistic way. And here's just the behind the scenes of the process that it takes for me to create them, because it did take several months for me to get all of the lessons and videos done right. So in this video is my introduction to the course on Skillshare. So go ahead and check it out. And just as a quick reminder, I love teaching through pop culture, and don't forget that I do have a Skillshare class that's already published and it's ready to be viewed. Just go to Skillshare.com and I have all the links in the descriptions below. And this is just a small snippet of the things that I teach through pop culture, and this is just one of the lessons that I like to do using erasers, brushes, and stumps. So go ahead and check that out. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, my name is Ivan Florentino Ramirez, and welcome to my Skillshare class number 3. With my experience having graduated from California State University Fullerton, I am a portrait artist, a painter, and have taken courses in life studies, life drawing, life painting, and anything from the world of pop culture and digital artwork. I will guide you through the steps on how to draw hair, how to blend it, and believe it or not, we will not be drawing every strand of hair. I'll be showing you techniques to make it seem like there's volume in the hair and create a realistic look. We will concentrate on drawing Frida at a front-facing view. I will break down this course in a step-by-step manner where we focus on the eyes, the eyebrows, the nose, the lips, the hair, and finally, blending everything together. And go through the necessary materials needed to create this artwork. And overall, I want to challenge you to break away from that mentality that drawing realistic is for professionals only and it's too hard for just the general public. And I'm here to say that that is not true. Anyone can take this class, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or an advanced artist, because we will be learning through freehand drawing. And we won't be going by the books. I really believe that if we draw something through the world of pop culture, meaning fandom, we will have a lot more fun doing that than drawing something like an ordinary model or just basic shapes in order for us to just dive in. Because I know that at some point as artists, we've started drawing freehand and we wanted to mimic and create something that we saw. And this is the perfect course for you to jump in and sharpen our observational skills in order for you to take that into your own artwork. So, are you ready to take on this class? Let's get to it.